Alright guys, I'm with Emeka, the Mickelson twins. Yeah. We're here at Venice Beach and we're gonna talk about the winning mindset. Are you a winner? Yeah.
Yes!
Yes! I think a lot of people just don't want to believe it because if they do believe it, they'll realize I'm making a mistake and I'm not doing something right.
They're afraid of success.
And like doing other things with their life, like if they see, for example, like I started a YouTube channel, right? People want to see me fail and not get subscribers, or if someone starts a business, they'll feel better subconsciously if you fail because they know, all right, if I tried that, then I would have failed, so I saved time.
Yes.
But consciously they might say, oh, I want the best for you, but subconsciously it works differently. And what I admire the most about these guys is they took action. They didn't hesitate, right? Like hesitation killed the warrior. And when you're like somewhere and you see a girl you like and you want to talk to her, if you hesitate and think about it, you're not going to do anything. You're just going to kick yourself in the head. But you have 3 seconds to take action. So right away you just go and do it, and life changes. Like these guys aren't even from here, and they traveled down to make this happen.
Yeah. I have a question for you. So like, when did your mindset switch from like I'm gonna have a job, live that whole life? Like what made it switch to then like realize the possibility of entrepreneurship, online business?
My mindset switched probably like a year ago. I knew before this might be real and I would see videos about this and see people doing things, but I was still skeptical. But it wasn't until about maybe 6 months ago when I realized people are doing this, especially when I found genuine, honest people online showing their results and what they're doing. Like, this is real. There are books on Amazon. You can buy an ebook. Someone's behind that book making it, selling it. Amazon FBA, there's guys making those products, selling it, getting reviews, and getting money. Like, this isn't fake. I feel like it's a way better option to go with than settling for a regular 9 to 5, because before I grew up like everyone else, probably most of you watching this, go to school, what do you do next? Gotta go to college for 4 years, get a degree, land a high-paying job, save up all your money until you're 65, and then maybe live off your 401k, whatever pennies you can get off that every month, and still live frugally. But between 18 to 65, your life is gone. And that strikes my heart, and I do not want to do that. So that's why I'm so passionate about breaking out of that 9 to 5 life, out of that corporate slavery. There's other options that people just don't even realize. Like, it's real.
Did you talk to someone, or did like something happen that like made it click in your head? That like
I watched a lot of YouTubers.
Did you go searching for it? Like, fuck, I do not like the path I'm on. There's got to be something else. And then you went out looking for it, and then you went out looking for it.
I had that feeling. I was like, there's got to be something else. And I started looking how to make money online, other ways to make money.
That's how we started too.
Yes. The first thing I found was stock market. So I started researching the stock market, started trading stocks. And yes, it does work, but you need a lot of capital for like the long-term passive income. Versus where these guys, like there's 2 things you put in for passive income. Either a bunch of time and energy, which is what these guys did. I mean, you guys spent like a month just grinding 16-hour days making your Income Academy book, right? So putting in all your time and not getting paid anything while you're putting in the time. Because everyone thinks, I gotta trade 1 hour for $10 or whatever your freaking pay is.
No.
People have that mindset.
Yeah,
I'm worried if I'm not getting paid. This must not be working.
Exactly.
Shit like that.
So these guys focused on putting their time in and creating value because they realized value brings in money. And also, there's a book called Think and Grow Rich. That changed my life. I read that too. It's the mentality. It's all here how you think. Like, seriously, I know reading sounds boring, but do it. If you don't want to read it, buy the audiobook. Buy the audiobook version. While you're driving to work, listen to that audiobook. Soak it in. Stop listening to Drake and random music. Like, you don't care about that. It's not helping you. Yeah.
But yeah, like you said, with a job, you get paid for your time. With like business like we do, you pay for like the value you give.
The value you give.
People have a hard time.
You guys understand that. That's the key.
It has nothing to do with time, what we do.
Yeah, exactly. It's the value you give.
I think you touched on this before. A big reason why people don't get into this is because, they don't believe it. They literally don't think the shit exists. They don't think it's possible. And either they consciously, genuinely don't believe it, or they subconsciously, this is what you said, they want to not believe it because then they know that they're not fucking missing out on anything.
They wish there was no other option because then they can't blame themselves for having a life they don't like.
Yeah, exactly. All right, so what made you guys take action with your publishing business? What was the first thing?
Oh, fuck, man.
Yeah, you guys are on the spot.
You
guys are on the
Where do I
spot.
even start?
Well,
we're not happy with the direction our lives were going.
like I just don't settle for a life I don't want. Like I could just tell that the path we were down, like the path we were going down, something that I did not want, and I know a lot of people settle for it, or it's just the easy thing to do. I don't know, for me, it's just like natural not to do that way.
I don't need to try to take action. Does that make sense?
So you don't even need motivation. You just want to do it.
No, yeah, exactly.
It's just an urge.
It's completely natural to me. That's
Yeah.
my own
Because I would
speak
just,
for
I
myself.
could never take that shit, that life, that, you know.
Yeah.
I started out of pure desperation and hunger. I had to eat, the family had to eat, and I just had no money. And so I was looking at a way to make more money. So that's how I started, and that's why I started.
So what was the first thing you did to make money online?
Publish a book.
The
That was
first
it.
thing.
That was-
That was the
First
first
thing
route
you
you
ever
took. You didn't fail at
experimented
anything else.
No,
Yeah.
no. I took a course. So,
Okay.
No, say for me, publishing was also my
yeah,
first one.
typically when you buy a course, accredited course like Audiobook Income Academy or my self-publishing blueprint,
Yeah. Okay. Links.
you right, you won't fail if you follow it. Right? Like I know we're not allowed to say it's guaranteed success, but if you're not an idiot, it's guaranteed success.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
true.
It's plain and simple.
Yeah.
If you ask for help, follow the directions, ask for more help,
Yeah.
you're gonna succeed.
People that don't
I-
have success think it's, oh, this business model doesn't work.
No,
oh,
it's them.
bad.
Yeah.
It's them. They're
And they're gonna
idiots.
try
every
again,
time.
and they're gonna
Right?
fail again.
Every single time.
If
right?
you fail,
it's every
it's
single time.
your fault.
It's not the
you
courses
need to
and the
know that.
program's fault. Like I could even like there's even like outdated stuff that if you read between the lines, you'll still make it work. It's not the program's fault. It's your fault. The programs work. Right? So it's a very simple concept for what we do.
So you need to believe that it's true and break out of your comfort zone.
No, it is
Like
real.
it's literally,
Yeah.
it's
Say
real.
It is real.
It's real, and then you just got to go out of your comfort zone
All
and
of the
try
online
it.
businesses you read about
Are
people
real.
making
Are real.
lots of money.
This
with
is happening.
With all of them.
Yes.
All of them.
So let's close out the video.
Yeah.